Hi everybody, this is my first video journal entry for EDUU 675. This video journal is going to be about how I plan to assess a student with ASD using the functional behavior assessment. The child I plan to assess is a fourth grader with ASD. He learns best when provided with visuals and movement. He displays problematic behaviors. He has a speech service for expressive and receptive language, social and pragmatic and articulation deficits. He presents with a developmental disability significantly impacting verbal and nonverbal communication as well as social interaction. He also presents with a significant discrepancy between ability and achievement in the academic areas of written expression, reading comprehension due to process deficits in the areas of phonological processing, memory, and attention. Some of the behaviors that I have observed are he loses focus during small group and whole group instruction. He needs multiple verbal and visual promptings to stay on task. He's easily distracted by nearby objects, peers, belongings, and manipulatives. He gets frustrated easily, he will grunt, hit, and cry, and he needs frequent breaks. Interviewing the SLP, I plan to interview the SLP that services my current students. This is our second year working together. We communicate often, whether it's face-to-face, email, or phone. Right now, with our current situation, we have been emailing and speaking over the phone since we are not working at our school. We are doing online learning. We plan to work together to find a date and a time that suits us both. Once we establish a date and a time, I will email her the Zoom link, and then during our Zoom meeting, I will be asking her the interview questions that I came up with, and I will be documenting her responses. Observations: since we are strictly doing online for my district, I plan to observe my student during whole group and small group instruction. I also plan to assess my student during asynchronous and independent work. So for my district, we are doing synchronous, asynchronous, and independent work. So synchronous is live instruction. Asynchronous and independent work are activities done on their own through Seesaw. And so when we aren't doing live instruction and he's supposed to be doing his Seesaw activities, I'm going to pull him and assess him every once in a while. And that is my plan for assessing a child with ASD.